2009 Hyundai Elantra. So complain of this car. There's a battery sign on the dashboard, so we're gonna check that. But before that, I'm just gonna check the battery. Over here we got 11.76, and I already scanned the codes, and this is what came out. EBAP code, and right there, voltage low, warning lamp failure, voltage low. And actually the car will start. It's just that. So you can see right there, battery light is on. Let me show it to you. Right there, car is running. And so we can check in here. We got the bots 11.6. We can use my scanner. At the same time, we can check voltmeter too. 11.5, so it's not charging. So location of the battery, the alternator is here. I wanna check the connection over here. Yeah. Battery connection over there. I want to check that. See if I can use it. Hold on. Reach it. Oh yeah. Like that. Right there. Let's see how much. Come on. Hold on. Okay. Let's try one more time. I'm using my power probe. It's better to see. I think there's something wrong with my multimeter. So if you press this plus, it will show how much voltage is on the battery. So that's 11.4. It's going down. And now we can check. Right there. You can see it. 11.4. So guys, it's really tough to show it to you. See it again. So we're gonna fix it. Right there. Good. 11.4. Good. 7.4. So basically it's not charging. Check it again one more time. 11.4. Yes, 11.4. So basically if these things happen, there's a battery sign on the dashboard, almost 100%. The culprit or the problem is your alternator. And most of the time, you notice this design of a car. See the bulb cover? There's a lot of oil. You follow it, goes in here all the way to the alternator. So the alternator is soaked with the oil, and it will short circuit on the inside the alternator. That is the most common problem with this kind of design. So if you had a bulb cover that is leaking, I suggest you to repair that right away. Otherwise in a long period of time, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna ruin the alternator. I think there's another video that I made that's on the Odyssey, I think. Same problem. Alternator is stuck with oil, and then alternator dies. So again, this is what's gonna happen if you like neglect one problem of your car. So we're gonna be replacing the alternator for today. I'm not gonna show you the step by step of removing that. The purpose of this video again is to diagnose it and fix it. And for this car, we already diagnosed the problem. It's the alternator. We can also check the wiring diagram for this car, but either way, it's not gonna help. So it has a 3-wire. Actually, I checked it already, but if most of you don't have this wiring diagram, don't worry. Based on my experience, if you have only one sign, like the battery sign on the dashboard, is almost 100% the problem is the alternator. And then the second thing that you need to see is the leak in here. So if you see leak in here, going to alternator, it's almost 100% now. Something wrong with the alternator. Okay, let's just replace the alternator. Okay, I'll just wanna show you the things that I did already. To remove that, just a summary. So over here, this oil filter, you need to remove the oil filter, and then there's a bolt right there. See that? That's number 12. I already removed. There's a nut connected into that. I already removed it right there. See that? Again, oil filter, and it's located there. It's right there, sticking right there. There's a nut. That's number 12. This one. And then you need on the top, this is also number 12. So on the top, get the light over here. Over here on this side, right here, that side, behind this plate, there's also a hole in there. You need to remove this. This is the adjuster, and of course you need also to remove the 2 wire right there, one for the battery and one for the wire that is connected onto your I think that's an IC. Okay, and I think as soon as you remove those, I think you can move this now. This, you need to pull this belt. You can remove the belt now, right there. Remove it. I'm gonna replace the belt too. It's an old one. See it? Color crack. Well, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna replace that too. Now we can remove the alternator, but we need to remove the oil filter too, so we can remove it at the bottom. Alright, so I just want to show you one of the hardest part of removing this alternator is the one on the bolt, long bolt at the bottom. So after you remove the nut, don't need to remove the hole all the way. See this? So there's like it's not a solid hole, as you can see in there. Now you can remove the alternator. you can go to the bottom over here. Okay, so right here. So again, remove the oil filter right there. You can remove it over here. I couldn't film it to you anymore because it's very tight space. Alright, so this is the brand new alternator. The same. So it's gonna transfer. This is the bolt that I'm talking about. You don't need to remove it, just leave it like that. Just gonna clean this out. Alright, so let's put it back together and then let's see if we fix the problem. Alright, so we already installed the new alternator. We also replaced the new bulb cover gasket. See, now it's super clean. No more oil dripping in here, so it will prevent the, this alternator circuit. So by the way, just want to show you this gasket. So see how brittle it is. Look at this. See this? Super crunchy. I can't even. Anyway, those are the part. New oil change. And when new oil change, new oil. I did oil change also. Now we can start the car. And before we do that, I just want to show you. You got how much? 19.9. Let's start the car. Let's double check everything is back. Let's start the car. Oh, we need the key. We need the key. Where's the key? Yeah. Alright. Let's do this. Start it. Alright. Okay. See that? No more battery sign on the dashboard. Just the parking brake sign. I guess this is already fixed. Let's go check the how much volts do we get? Alright, 40 volts. That's it. It's already fixed. About an hour. Let's see. Right, look at this is 13.7 in our OVD. Almost 14 volts. There you go. So we're not gonna deal with the EBAC code. That's a different issue. What we're dealing is the charging issue. That's 13.9. 13.9. Alright. That's it.